up guys? Welcome back to Become Calisthenics. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to go from a Frogstand to a handstand. Let's get it. So the Frogstand, the handstand, is another great way to go into a handstand without having to kick up. It does require a little more shoulder strength because you're pushing from a stationary position all the way up to a handstand. It's also another great way to go into to learn handstand push-ups because you're basically doing the negative part of the handstand push-up when you're going from when you're at the very bottom all the way to the very top. So this is a great. It has a lot of benefits. Not from going from Frogstand to handstand, and improving a little bit of that handstand push-ups if you want to learn them. So the first thing you want to do is learn how to go into a Frogstand, which I also have a video on that. It'll be at the end of the video. It'll also be in the link in the description. But to go from the progressions from the Frogstand to handstand, the first thing I recommend is having your knees into in the middle. So taking your knees off from your elbows and moving them to the middle. Let me show you what it looks like. All right, so from here, you're basically gonna be just moving your knees off like this and just holding it and switching. You want to practice just holding those for about 5 seconds each until you're comfortable, until it basically becomes comfortable and it doesn't put any stress on you. So the next thing after moving both knees off of your triceps is just to have one leg extend out while the other leg is on the triceps. So this is what it's going to look like. It is going to take a little more core strength and shoulder strength because you're trying to extend one leg out while trying to keep that balance. This is what it's going to look like. It is a little more tough, but with practice and time, you should be able to extend out and just hold that one leg while keeping the other one on the triceps. So after that, you would start to have both legs out instead of one leg out. Instead of having the other leg on the triceps, you would now have both of them out off the triceps, trying to keep that core tight, trying to keep your shoulders tight. Just keep everything tight, and just push as hard as you can while trying to stabilize yourself and look like this. Granted, this is a little more tougher and because you're using a lot of that shoulder strength, so I recommend maybe doing some pike push-ups will help with that little bit, giving you that little bit of that shoulder strength to be able to hold yourself up in that straight line. All right, so now that you learned all the steps, all you have to do is just combine all of them, and it'll look something like this. So that is the Frogstand, the handstand, another great way to go into a handstand, as well as another great way for you to learn the negative part of the handstand push-ups. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. It will mean a lot. Thank you.